The theme of today's video is travel. In astrological tradition, when we live or travel to a destination different from where we were born, a relocation of our birth chart occurs. This relocation implies changes in the sectors or houses and, consequently, in the cardinal points of the chart, namely the ascendant, midheaven, descendant, and nadir. Obviously, our basic natal chart remains unchanged, but relocation involves adding a second layer of sectors or houses that reveal the environment the individual encounters at the relocation place. Once again, my character will be Martina. Let's then open Martina's astral chart. And here it is. Today we want to find a travel destination for Martina. We'll tap the Travel Guide button at the bottom left of the screen. A list of travel themes appears, each associated with the symbolism of one of the main celestial bodies. Martina is a 21-year-old young woman, and it might be more appealing for her to travel in search of art, harmony, beauty, romance, relationships, attraction, love, and money. So let's tap on the fourth theme. And a list of metropolises appears. If no city appears for the character you've chosen, you can tap one of the other buttons next to the top bar, and thus your travel theme will remain, but the purpose will change. Here we have several Chinese cities. China has many metropolises, but let's choose Sydney in Australia. If at the bottom left of the screen we tap the Google Earth button, we can also explore the location in advance, right here in the app, with satellite images. Let's then do a brief exploration. A beautiful destination, certainly, for Martina. Here we have an image of the famous Sydney Opera House. Now let's go back by tapping the return arrow at the top left of the screen. Then we'll use the checkmark button in the upper right corner to confirm the relocation. Let's accept. Let's wait a bit. And here we have Martina's astral chart relocated to Sydney. We see that in this metropolis, Martina's relocated ascendant is in conjunction with her natal Venus. This is why this city appeared on the list. Now let's request a preview of what Martina can expect from her trip to Sydney. Let's tap the What to Expect button on the left side of the screen. And that's it. Martina now has information that may help her make a decision about her next vacation destination. Let's return to the initial screen by tapping the return arrow at the top left of the screen. I'll say no in this dialogue at the moment. I don't want to save this relocated chart. And we're done for today. Thank you for your attention, and until the next video.